going on, you guys? Here we go, here we go. Here's a big gust. We're having a huge Santa Ana windstorm here. Matrix. There we go, here's a big gust. That was about a 50-mile-an-hour gust right there. Everything's just going crazy. There we go. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Here we go. Yeah, sorry I haven't been able to post anything in a long time, but this is pretty interesting. That was about 50 miles an hour just now. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's going crazy out there. Let's go out to the deck here. See, all these trees are just going nuts here. Wind chimes are chiming. Here we go, here comes a gust. Oh, here comes a gust. I can tell by the trees over there. See that way over there? Okay. When I zoom in, I see that thing. I don't know what that is, but look at all those trees just going crazy over there. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Here comes a big gust. Trees are just going insane here. Yeah, it's supposed to be worse. The last thing I heard on the weather forecast, they shot a news update saying it's supposed to gust over 50 miles an hour tonight and today. So, oh, I hear it coming. I can hear the trees over there just going, giant trees over there just moving like crazy. See, here we go. Here it comes. That was loud. I heard it roar just now. Maybe you guys can't hear it on camera, but I can hear it just roaring across the canyon. It sounds like a jet taking off. Here we go. Look at those trees move. Here we go. They're all just shaking. Like, look at all that. Yeah, it's just going crazy. Oh, here we go. Here comes a gust. Look at that, guys. Whoa. See, look at that shaking like that. Yeah, it's just going crazy out there, man. If you're really quiet, turn your volume all the way up. You can hear it going nuts. Just waiting on a big gust here coming soon. chimes are just going insane. And this is a huge tree right here. It's giant. This tree is nice and solid, and it's shaking it like crazy. You're out on my deck right here. Those palm trees up there are going nuts too. Oh, here comes a big gust. Whoa! Yeah, it's going insane, man. As you can tell, just look at that tree just bending. I'm trying to get a big gust here so you guys can see it. You know, yeah, usually in the fall, this is when all the Santa Anas start like crazy. This is like, it's supposed to be gusting over 50. Sometimes you see we live on the side of a canyon. There's a hill on the other side of my house. So this is like a wind funnel here. What was that? I just heard something bang. But seriously, this tree, like, it was bent, like, all the way over there. The tip of the tree, right there, was bent all the way over there. That's how windy it was. You know, I probably showed you that out in the front. So, you know, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. You know, I tried to get the best I could, but, you know, every time I try to film it, I'm not filming in time when I get the gust, but hope you guys enjoyed, so thanks for watching.